Chicken is so popular and it should be on everybody's shopping list. It's easy to cook and it tastes great. Today we're going to make one pot chicken. It takes 15 minutes and it's made with really simple ingredients. It's our one pot chicken with bocconcini and olives, so let's get started. We're going to cut the chicken in half horizontally to make 4 thin slices. This will make the chicken cook much more quickly and evenly. We're going to season the chicken and sprinkle it with dried oregano. The oregano gives it a nice Italian flavour and the seasoning gives it a bit more of a depth of flavour. Now I'm going to heat some oil in the pan. It's over a high heat, just a little bit of oil. And then we're going to add our chicken. We're going to cook the chicken for 2 minutes each side until it's golden brown. It cooks much more quickly because we've cut it in half, so much quicker way of cooking chicken. Once the chicken is golden brown, we'll transfer it to a plate and then we'll get started with our sauce, using the same pan of course. We're going to add a little bit more oil to the pan and then we're going to cook our onion and garlic. We've just got 1 onion thinly sliced and thinly sliced garlic. We're just going to cook that for 1 minute or until the onion is soft. So now that the onion has softened, we're going to add 1 can of cherry tomatoes and 1 can of diced tomatoes and bring that to the boil. Then we're going to return the chicken to the pan. Then we add the olives. We're just adding the bocconcini and we're tearing it in half. So reduce the heat to medium-high and we cook the chicken for 8 minutes or until it's cooked through and the sauce is thickened slightly. Now all we have to do is drizzle with some basil pesto and sprinkle with some basil leaves. And then we're done. And there you have it, 1 pan chicken that's done in just 15 minutes. Now you can serve it with ciabatta or steamed rice.